FreeCAD versus KiCad. Which design software is better? Choosing the right design software can completely change how you create precise models or circuit boards without frustration. FreeCAD focuses on 3D CAD modeling, while KiCad specializes in electronic design automation. FreeCAD and KiCad serve different design needs. FreeCAD is a parametric 3D modeling tool ideal for mechanical parts and assemblies. KiCad is an open-source suite for designing electronic schematics and printed circuit boards. The core difference is their domain focus, mechanical versus electronic design. FreeCAD is an open-source parametric 3D CAD modeler designed for creating detailed mechanical parts and assemblies. It works by allowing users to build 3D models using parametric constraints, which means every dimension and feature can be modified easily after creation. Its modular architecture supports various workbenches tailored for tasks like part design, drafting, and simulation. FreeCAD excels in flexibility, supporting formats like STEP, IGES, and STL for interoperability with other CAD tools. Its strengths include a robust parametric modeling system, a customizable interface, and integration with Python scripting for automation. However, it has a steeper learning curve compared to simpler CAD tools and may lack some advanced features found in commercial software. FreeCAD is ideal for engineers, hobbyists, and designers who need a free, powerful tool for mechanical design and prototyping without licensing costs. It's best suited for users comfortable with 3D modeling concepts and willing to invest time learning its capabilities. For those focused on physical product design, FreeCAD offers a comprehensive and adaptable platform. KiCad is a free open-source electronic design automation (EDA) software suite for creating schematics and printed circuit board layouts. It enables users to design complex electronic circuits by drawing detailed schematics and then translating them into PCB layouts, with precise component placement and routing. KiCad includes tools for schematic capture, PCB layout, 3D visualization of boards, and library management. Its strengths lie in its comprehensive feature set, active community support, and compatibility with industry standard formats like Gerber for manufacturing. While KiCad is powerful, it can be challenging for beginners due to its detailed workflow and interface complexity. It also requires careful management of component libraries to avoid errors. KiCad is best suited for electrical engineers, hobbyists, and makers who want a cost-effective solution for designing and producing circuit boards. It excels in projects ranging from simple electronics to multi-layer PCBs, providing professional-level tools without licensing fees. Users focused on electronics design and PCB fabrication will find KiCad a reliable and flexible choice. FreeCAD and KiCad serve distinct purposes that rarely overlap. FreeCAD is the go-to for mechanical 3D modeling, ideal when designing physical parts, prototypes, or assemblies where geometry and parametric control matter. KiCad shines in electronic design, handling everything from schematic capture to PCB layer and manufacturing output. Choosing between them depends on your project needs. If you're building mechanical components, FreeCAD offers powerful parametric tools but requires CAD knowledge. For electronic circuits and boards, KiCad provides a specialized environment with tools tailored to electrical design but demands attention to library and design rules. Both are free and open source, making them accessible but with learning curves unique to their fields. In real-world scenarios, engineers often use FreeCAD for enclosures or mechanical parts and KiCad for the electronics inside, highlighting their complementary strengths rather than direct competition. Choose FreeCAD if your focus is mechanical design, 3D modeling, and prototyping. It's ideal for detailed parametric CAD work without licensing costs. Opt for KiCad when your priority is electronic design and PCB layout. Its comprehensive tools support complex circuits and manufacturing needs. Both FreeCAD and KiCad excel in their domains, so selecting the right one depends on whether you design mechanics or electronics.